Once again, VTSV Auto, we're showing you a little love, couple updates, I should say, / introduction to the second Monte Carlo. If you followed the channel, you heard us talk about the first Monte Carlo, Will's Monte Carlo, which is the maroon one that we painted. This is, God be the glory, second Monte Carlo frame off restoration that we're doing. We learned a lot from the first build, where we kind of applied some of those mechanics to the new build. When it comes to metalwork, this is metalwork at its finest. Probably 70% of the car is new sheet metal. The roof is brand new. The rocker panel is brand new. Both sides, the floor with the braces are brand new. The firewall is brand new. 4 quarters, brand new. The deck filler panel is brand new. The trunk floor is brand new. The package tray is brand new. This is one of several vehicles that you can purchase aftermarket parts for. Quarter panels, rockers, floor pans, all of this is pre-made. Like for instance, with my Cadillac, if you need new doors, fenders, quarter panels, you have to find another one at a junkyard. Pray that it's not rusted, or you just have to manufacture parts. Roof panels, brand new. You know, you could buy these brand new for this car. All of the parts that I went over with you, when you bring it into mind of restoring a car, those are things you need to consider when you have hindsight understanding that we have at the shop. Like, we build cars trying to manufacture parts is a better fit and finish sometimes if it's already pre-stamped, or it saves a lot of money for its time. You know, you probably can get it nailed up, but it might take you a little time when you don't have the correct, you know, things to do it the way that they do it when they make these. So just saying all that to say, you know, definitely want to highlight the importance of vehicles that you can buy aftermarket repops is what they call them, remakes over, you know, the original floor. Like on my Cadillac, if you follow the channel, you will see a lot of the pieces with the contours and everything had to be handmade. That's real detail. You know, you can get it already made with the braces in. That saves a lot of time and money for the customer. So that's why I say you definitely want to consider that going in. Chevelles, Monte Carlos, they're cousins, so that's why you have a lot of the same parts for both. Impalas, you know, they're very desirable depending on what year. In the 50s and the 60s, you can pretty much buy all of the 2-doors and convertibles, you know, pretty much sheet metal that's brand new. So those things are great, but we're just going to take you from the beginning when we initially got the car in our possession, when we did an overview, and then we just started going at it. So we'll just take you step by step in some of the things that we did, the love, the anointing that we showed to not only one, but the second Monte Carlo at VTSV Auto. Follow along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We need your influence. Let everybody know about the baddest shop in Florida, man. Full. Polishing the motherfuckers up. They're raw metal, man. what you want. That foundation gonna be correct. We already stripped the fender, primed it, fender primed it. And you just see the little small little rust areas that need to be repaired. We'll just get that patch pounder and fit it like it was from new. Y'all to notice the contour of the metal, and notice how that contour follows right into there, see? So it's not necessarily a lot of build, it's just to smooth it out. So real good work. I like the craftsmanship. I really like the groove, the factory line, and it flows all the way around, you know, all the way up, same line. That's, you know, that's good work, man. I like that. I say, it's, you know, just to keep everything smooth. There's not a lot of it. You can see the metal coming through now. You know, that's just a skim coat. It's not like you're doing a. It's just to keep everything laser straight when you go to, you know, blocking it and everything, blocking it smooth. Like Ken Diggett Design, Boyd Cotton, you know, these are the way they do doors. You know, these are the way they do it the right way. Now, you might not want all of that. We just let you know we know how to do it the right way. That's all. Y'all come in here now by those
video.
This is the side that's factory original. You know, this was rest panels made, bent by hand, welded in. Yeah.